Benadryl expectorant is one cough medicine that makes a promise it can prove. Clinical studies clearly demonstrate that Benadryl's unique formulation stops coughing rapidly. Benadryl starts working in just 15 to 30 minutes. And what's more, clinical studies show that Benadryl continues to suppress the urge to cough for hours. Ask your chemist for Benadryl expectorant from Park Davis. It stops coughing rapidly.
Available from your local North Farm pharmacy in Quirindi, C. Selbrine and Stevenson's, in Werris Creek, Neil Duncan, and in Walgett, McCullum and Austin. North Farm, one of the family.